What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Man, I'm just super pumped up today. I got something very exciting for you. The brand new Denon, the AVR 6700H. This is going to be one of the hottest AVRs going into 2021, and today I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure you give us a call and show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. Can't do it without you guys. All right, let's get into it. Okay, before we actually unbox it, let's talk some specs, guys. So, like I had mentioned, this is an 11.2 8K receiver. That means it has that new HDMI chip in there for your 8K panels. A lot of people are still in 4K, and truly 4K is still the standard, but with the panels starting to come out in 8K, this is the future. Now, 11-channel processing is probably my most common configuration for a home theater because most people have 2 rows of seating, and we set that up as a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system. So this not only amplifies that, but it also processes it. Pretty cool. And at this price point, I believe it's $2,500 retail. Give us a call for current pricing and promotions because things can change, but that's the MSRP on it. And let's talk about some of these details here on the top of the box. Like, to a lot of you guys, this is just very foreign, but let's hit on some of the important things. So I would say HEOS is probably one of my favorite features that come built into the Denon Avrx systems. The reason is because HEOS is multi-room software. It allows you to independently play music throughout your entire home or group rooms together for distributed audio. So like say with this AVR, you could actually power up a full 5.1 surround system as well as 3 separate zones of stereo audio. Pretty impressive. And I'll talk about that a little bit when we get to the back of the panel. Dolby Atmos enabled. Guys, I don't know if you've looked at Netflix recently or any movies on your Apple TV. Everything's in Atmos. You need it. So very important. IMAX Enhanced, this is becoming extremely popular. DTS, DTSX, Euro 3D, all of these really popular surround sound configurations, this processor can handle that. So it's a one-stop shop here. 8K, this is the big deal right now with this AVR this year. You got ISF certification. It's compatible with Dolby Vision. You got a bunch of different music services. This is very interesting. Roon tested. This is on higher end systems. Also the ISF certification. So they got a lot of stamps of approval on this unit. So I'm having very high hopes right now. And then all of these are the music services: Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, TuneIn. You got Alexa. Here on the front, they advertise AirPlay 2. This is something very, very cool. If you're an Apple user, AirPlay 2 is huge. And then of course you have all of your Google Assistant, Alexa, everything like that built in. Okay, I think that about sums it up. Let's get this puppy opened up. And guys, I'm gonna try to cover as much information as possible in this video today, but at the end of the day, I'm sure you guys will have questions, so don't hesitate to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions and get you the system that's right for your exact situation and budget. So if you're kind of new to home theater and you don't really know what you need, that's our specialty, guys. Send us pictures of your space. Tell us what you have in mind, and we'll optimize a package specifically to your needs. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera over here so you guys can see in the box. All right, check it out. Got a remote. Now this is interesting. This remote's a little bit different than the Denon 3700, which I had showed you guys in another video. Make sure to check that out. The new models this year are 3700, 4700, and 6700. This is the remote. Batteries are included. Got a quick start guide. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ears, as well as AM/FM radio. I always talk about this, kind of stupid, but I just love the fact that Denon Marantz include these labels. It's just, it kind of makes it dummy proof. You know, if you're doing this for the first time, you know, as a homeowner, you don't really, this just makes it a little bit easier on you because you can tone out a speaker, put a label on it, and be done with that wire, move on to the next wire, put your label on it, and then they just line up directly with the back of the unit. I think this is pretty valuable that they do that. You can see just wrap it around the wires like that. It's another really cool thing that they do that not a lot of other manufacturers do. A lot of people are like, what is this? Well, check it out. This is a stand for you to put your Odyssey setup calibration mic on so that it's at the correct height on your couch. Pretty sweet. And it's the little things. You got the Odyssey setup mic. So let's talk about this a little bit more. If you do not run this, you're wasting your money. You have to plug this guy in and follow the on-screen instructions. The reason that it's important is because if not, all of your EQs just zeroed out. So what this is doing is measuring the distance in the line, assigning the appropriate amount of power to each speaker, as well as setting your crossovers. So you can have a $100,000 theater, and if you're not running your setup mic, you're wasting your money. This is the simplest, easiest thing that you can do to optimize your sound. And then power cord. Pretty straightforward. All right, let's pull this bad boy out of here. All right, guys, this is just an unboxing video. You guys know that we're here to help in any way that we can and want to make these videos very educational so that you guys can make an educated buying decision on your system. So if there's anything that I missed in this video or something that you want to see, just drop some comments down below and the YouTube will make sure to get that over to us so that we can answer your questions. So just got it unwrapped, looking sharp. Let's talk about it a little bit. Alrighty guys, this is the back side of the unit. So let's start with the speaker terminals. So these are all of your speaker connections. This is actually going to send the power out to your speakers and power them up. So you can see there's a bunch of different labels on here, a bunch of different ways you can configure this because this processor has so many different surround sound configurations that it supports. That's why I was saying earlier that these labels make such a big difference if you're doing it for the first time because you can reference in the guide exactly where they need to go and where you've placed them in your room. And then when you go to make your connections, it's just like, oh, well, my front left goes right to my front left. It's all color coded. Pretty sweet. So 11.2, let's talk about that. An 11.2 typically would just be all surround speakers for like a really long room, but that's really uncommon. Nowadays, I would say my best selling configuration is Dolby Atmos, without a doubt. And 724 is without a doubt the best selling configuration for 2 rows of seating. So how would we connect that? You got front left, front right, center, surround left, surround right. That one's pretty simple. I'm sure everybody knows how that works. It's a 5-channel system. And then right here are your subwoofer outputs. So depending on how many subs you're running in the room, you're going to connect them here. I recommend 2, especially for larger systems like this. It gives you better dispersion throughout the space so that everybody in the room gets a better experience. Now, say you have like a really high-end system and the amount of power that this system is supplying, which is 140 watts a channel. So say the 140 watts a channel isn't enough for you, you can take pre-outs right here to external amplification and still use this as a processor, which is pretty cool. But let's go back to the speaker terminal. So 5 channels right here, and then you could do a 5.1 or 5.2. And then you could utilize these in so many different ways. Let's talk about the multi-room aspect. So this is what I do on a lot of projects to cut costs. So the fact that Denon HEOS comes built into this unit is huge. You can Power up a 5-channel system, which is very popular for, like, say, a living room, and then you could power up, say, your kitchen speakers off of height 1, and then you could power up your patio speakers off of height 2, and so on and so forth. So you have a lot of flexibility there on how you can configure the different zones throughout the home. Or you could even power up a full 7.1 or 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system with the heights and the surrounds. And then you could still utilize the extra zones. And in addition to that, you have your HDMI ports here, and those also support multi-zone. So you could do like a living room TV and also a patio TV. Super flexible. And even say if you just wanted a TV in your kitchen to reflect the same thing as your living room, you could hook up a monitor too, so it just plays the same thing. Tons of options. Then you got all of your 8K inputs now. DHCP 2.3. You got a total of, looks like 7, and there should be 1 HDMI in the front too. So you got pre-outs for zone 2 and zone 3 over here. Component, they still are putting this on there. Maybe you guys have some old school devices that you need to connect up. Stuff that's 720p or 480p, probably not, but it's nice to know those connections are there. You got your digital audio connections here. This is for, you know, say you got a smart TV and you want to take audio out of the smart TV back to the unit. If your eARC, audio return channel, isn't working, which happens a lot of the time on longer runs. You got control, RS-232, you got IR, you got triggers, that's if you're running separates, phono inputs, AM, FM, you got your stereo connections here, network, then you got your Bluetooth Wi-Fi antennas here on both sides. It's pretty much a run through on the connections. If you guys do have further questions on how this can be connected, just give us a call. Like I said, guys, we're specialists in all of these different configs, and a lot of the time, you know, you need to know the appropriate configuration for your layout, seating, viewing distance, things like that. And that's what we do, is we help you out with all that. Let's spin this around, check out the front. See all these vents too, guys? There's a reason. These things need to breathe. So make sure you buy a rack from us, or, you know, at least just let the guy breathe. You don't want to stack components on top of this. Here's the front of the unit. You got all your hard button press buttons down here, which can be helpful if your equipment's in a rack in a closet across the other end of the house, which tends to happen to us often, and we'll have to use these buttons before we get our universal remote set up. And there's an on-screen display as well. You got source select and volume control. This is the In Command series. We always sell the more premium products here at Dreamedia, mostly just because we really want you guys to have a good experience, and we want a product that's going to last a long time. People call in all the time and they ask why we don't sell products. Well, we've been doing this a long time and we've had a lot of products returned. So we just want you to have a very good experience. This is a product that I believe in for sure. 3-year warranty, 3 zones, Amazon, Tidal, all the good stuff, guys. Again, this is the big deal on this unit this year. 8K, HDR10, Dolby Vision. I mean, it's got it all. IMAX enhanced, Dolby Atmos, Auro-3D. You want it, you got it with this unit. It's a good value. All right, guys, so that is a wrap on the brand new 2020 Denon AVR 6700H. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call and show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. And if you guys are not one of my subscribers, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. We got a load of videos coming out, all related to home theater, just for you guys. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.